Okay, let's do it. I am so embarrassed of myself. I will explain you a little bit later. Okay, let's take the courage and do an outfit of the day. It's a college near the highway. It's a college near the highway, so maybe you will hear a lot of the traffic sound. So let's just take the courage and do an outfit of the day. Put it down a little bit. Maybe this way will be better. Let's see. So this is the outfit. Even more lower. I think this way. You can see. I think you can see. It's very, very comfortable. And this is my dress. A little bit rainy. I cannot put on the floor because it's wet. The floor is wet. So these pants, a little bit, the legging, a little bit short, so I wear black socks so that it does not show half. I'll put it here. You can see all the way going there. It makes me happy that I finally have the courage to do it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goodbye, bye. Okay, let me do it quick. Why I'm always so embarrassed of myself. Sometimes it's raining outside, you can see. Okay, so I'm just very embarrassed by myself. I went to the library, I dress up going to library. I know for your standard, maybe this is not dress up, but for me, this is already quite a serious dress. I put on something, a dress, a legging. Usually at home, I just wear the cooking dress, the cooking clothing outfit. It smells oily and anyway, I am very comfortable with myself, and I dress up, and I want to do an outfit of the day, because sometimes doing this outfit of the day, it lightens up my spirit. It make me make an effort in my day. You know, a lot of time we do not need to make any effort. And this time I do make an effort to dress up, to do a makeup a little bit more serious. And people are different. Some people think that no need to do makeup is good enough. I totally agree. I will explain just after my thought, okay? And for me, doing a makeup is my way to show respect to nature, to outside, to myself even. And so I made an effort coming out with my tripod, and then I go to library and go to city area. There are always people everywhere. It's very embarrassing. I am, in my standard, this is the very best of myself. But in many other standards, I'm wearing so ordinary clothes. What is you to make an outfit of the day, to show, to walk this way and that way, looks like an influencer? That's so embarrassing. So that's the reason I feel very embarrassed of myself and didn't do outfit of the day. I think maybe I can, if not about the outfit, I can use it as a way to train my courage, to train to desensitize myself, not to be too sensitive of other people, how other people think about me. I used to be not so sensitive. Maybe because summertime, I have different kind of outfit. For winter time, you have seen my outfit. It's been how long? It's been 3 months or something, always the same outfit. Anyway, did I explain? Okay, now let's explain. Some people, I just got a comment. One friend said she does not wear makeup. She does not want to wear makeup, and her family was, she had a heated or intense argument or discussion with family. Family thinks she should wear makeup, and she does not do makeup. First, I highly, highly, highly appreciate you, and I admire you. In Chinese, one of the highest way to say a woman's beauty is 素面朝天. 素面朝天, Su is simple, no makeup face. Makeupless, no makeup face. 朝天 is to pray to heaven, and at this time the 天 is 天子, the son of heaven is the emperor. There used to be a beauty, a Chinese beauty. She went to see the emperor. She was a concubine or something, was chosen. But she's the only one who did not have makeup. 素面朝天, because she has the courage, she has the confidence. And for you, you have the courage and confidence not doing makeup. It's the most admirable. That's number one thing. Number two thing, do not listen to others. They are not higher than you. No matter what relationship, you are your own individual. You know, nobody else knows. You know what makes you comfortable, what makes you confident. And your value is in something other than the makeup. Even if you are from the same family, you may have very different life background, life experience. Maybe you have a job, you have a career, you have a group of friends, you have your supporting system, and you are confident enough. You do not need to rely on a tiny ounce of makeup to make you adding confidence. You are sufficient. There is nothing better than this. The other people, maybe they have different life experience. Maybe their value is more or less, a little bit, depending on the appearance or depending how they make their appearance to approach to other people, how to make people feel, accept their appearance. Yours is beyond that. How confident you are, how powerful your life you are living. Be proud of yourself. We envy you. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye. Maybe I will call this philosophical OOTD.